everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share you how to make crispy fried tofu in air fryer. We all know tofu is a high protein content, and if you make this tofu like this, it is so yummy to eat as a snack, or you can include in lunch or dinner. So let's see how to make it in air fryer with very less oil. To make the tofu tasty, I took 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour or basin, and I am adding all the masala ingredients. Half tablespoon of dhania jeera powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, a little bit of salt, and tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it nicely and then mix this mixture. This is the tofu packet purchased from Costco. I want to remove the excess water and squeeze out with the paper towel. Cut tofu into small pieces. Now all the chopped tofu pieces are ready to be mixed. This basin mixture or gram flour mixture, we are adding tofu all together once and mix it nicely so that each and every tofu can be coated with this mixture. After mixing, I am going to squeeze the lemon juice for this mixture and then add 2 tablespoons of oil for this mixture. In the air fryer, I placed the parchment paper and arranged all the tofu pieces separately. Now I am air frying the tofu pieces for 350 degrees for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, take out this tofu and flip them over and then air fry for 6 more minutes. After the second time, you take out the tofu. Look at this tofu piece. It is very well coated with oil and nicely fried. They are so delicious and crunchy. You can serve them in the dinner or in a snack. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give a like and share it with your friends. I will see you in another video. Bye.